bloop, 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 bloop. Alfred Montaner and say, hey, I went bloop, bloop, bloop. No way. Guys, we are at Coastal Marine and Trailer, and we have our new trailer. We're not picking it up today, but here it is. This one in the middle. We got a brand new rocket trailer for the Kiwi boat. We're so excited, and hopefully this weekend we'll do the change. All right, and one of the reasons why we're doing this is because now we're getting torsion axles on this bad boy. Yay. All right, guys, so it's Sunday afternoon. It's actually raining really bad, but this is our only break to do this because we have limited access to my truck this week, so we got to try to do it today. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this trailer ready, unhooked. I'm going to bring the boat to the ramp and then pull the trailer, leave the boat at the ramp, pull it out, and then I'm going to swap the trailers or the car, the towing car, to the new trailer right away and try to do this. Let's see if it works. We're just gonna try to get the lines on the go ready so we don't spend a lot of time on the ramp. We're gonna try to do this quick and easy and hopefully make it happen before the rain comes back again. This is what you should be doing in the parking lot every time you try to launch your boat, you know? Be ready, always.
Hey guys, just stay until the end of the video. As you can see, there is police in the background and the last ramp. It looks like a car went down trying to get 2 jet skis out, and I only noticed this at the end of the day when I was getting ready to go, and I saw the towing truck pulling it out. Stay tuned. And as you can see, I'm having a hard time trying to move it. I couldn't start the engine, so I thought it was that didn't have battery, and you're gonna find out soon why the engine didn't start.
All right, guys, so it's raining and it's windy, so here's what we're gonna do. We parked both cars. Now we're going to unhook the old trailer from the truck and swap it for the other one, and then go and get the boat out. All right, guys, so we're ready to swap the 2 trailers. We are going to try to put the boat here, and then we're gonna move the bow catcher into this new trailer, and if everything works out, then that should do it. We got the brand new trailer. We're gonna bring it down to touch salt water for the first time. This guy in the ramp is parked in the middle of the ramp. Like, that's the reason why I actually moved my boat, so I wouldn't be in anybody's way, but this guy don't give a they don't care. What are they doing? I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I think I got plenty of room. Let's see what this guy does. I'm telling you, man, there's just people that don't care. So that guy is actually in the middle of the ramp and not, you know, letting anybody else do what we need to. Right in the middle. So there were 2 lanes. He's supposed to be on either one side, but of course not. All right, guys, we are in Pompano Beach, and I want to give a big shout out to Eddie at Coastal Marine and Trailers. He's the one that actually helped us get this trailer. They set it up for what kind of boat you have. All you got to do is go and pick it up and boom, put it on the boat. So we're gonna see how easy it is to get a brand new trailer from Rocket, where all you have to do is just put it on the boat. You don't have to worry about adjusting anything else. All right, guys, so this is the first time we're putting our boat in this trailer. So what I want to do is I want to go as deep as I can just to make sure that I'm not having an issue, you know. So we got a brand new strap here. All right. So I'm gonna try to start it up. I'm not sure if he's got good battery on it right now. All right, so he's not gonna start. We haven't taken the boat out in 2 months, so that's probably why it's out of battery. So we're gonna have to do it the good old way, which is pushing. Who's ready to push? I'm the only one that is gonna be pushing anyway, so. You know why that happens? Because I'm rushing. Always take your time, do things right, prepare. I'm rushing because I got limited access to that truck this weekend. So my only chance is today. I need to do this, so that is the reason why. But we're gonna make it happen.
So the reason why this boat didn't start is because my kill switch went bad and I did not notice it. I had not taken the boat out in a few months and I thought it was a battery. But once I took this out of the water and I started working on that new panel I'm putting on this boat, I realized that the kill switch went bad.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull it out first, see how far it is. Hey guys, as you can see, come here, baby. As you can see, a Rocket trailer comes adjusted to what you need. Look, it's perfectly sitting on that. And the guides are perfect on both sides. Yeah. And then, let me see if we need to, yeah, we need to go forward there a little bit out, but it's almost perfect. Yeah. It's a brand new Rocket trailer, but it's almost perfect. So all we gotta do is just push it out a little bit. I'm gonna pull it out again to double check the back. Ah, bloop, 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 bloop. Can you imagine that? I will have to call Alfred Montaner and say, hey, I went bloop, bloop, bloop. We don't want that. We don't want Alfred Montaner here. No way. Hopefully that's it. All right, guys, so you just adjust it, move it, and this is how it's supposed to end, just like that. The bunks at the end of the transom. See? And with that, we're done. Put the bow catcher on, and that should do it. All right, so now all we gotta do is remove this bow catcher and put it on this brand new Rocket trailer, and and we'll be good to go. And that is the end result after putting the bow catcher. Those bunks hugging that boat, and ooh, check that out. Lights, everything. All right, guys, check it out. Pompano Beach. The ramping Pompano Beach. A car went in, just holding 2 little jet skis. You gotta be careful out there. Check it out. Car went down in Pompano today, holding 2 jet skis out.